Hey guys, and welcome back to Stencil Me Pretty. Today we're talking everything about our fall stencils. I'm going to be going through all of the projects I've created this season so far and telling you which stencils I use to create these projects and how to do it. So let's get right into those projects. For the first project, I created this shiplap circle and then hot glued these wooden beads around the edges and then went in with the Hello Pumpkin stencil, and it was just such a nice hanging piece for a door or anywhere in the house. Next up, we have the scroll saw pumpkin. I just went in with a nice stain and then went in with my Hello Fall stencil in white, and it was just such a quick and easy project and it came out so cute. Here we have another scroll saw project. It was more of a layered piece and I just put that all together and then went in for pumpkin patch stencil, and it was just so beautiful. Shiplap is all the rave recently, so I went in with a shiplap sign and went in with our pumpkin patch DIY stencil in a variety of colors, and it was just the perfect fall decor piece. I created this using our apple orchard fall harvest sign. I just went in with a white background, stained some trim a darker brown for a border, and then stenciled, and it was just a very nice classic piece and it turned out great. The pumpkin patch 1 mile stencil is so adorable, and I just put it on an arrow shape for a fun touch, and I just think it came out so adorable. I created this beige buffalo check pattern for the background of this sign and went in with our Farm Fresh Autumn Harvest stencil. I stenciled in black for some contrast against the background, and it just came out so amazing. As a little accent piece to this same stencil, I just used the pumpkin area of the stencil and created this little framed piece, and I just think it was a really adorable addition to the previous stencil. Vertical signs are great for front porches, and I just love decorating with them, so I just stained this plain plank of wood a darker brown color and went in with a stencil of a white color, and then just went in with some finishing touches with like a little bow on the top, and it was just perfect. And the best thing about vertical signs is you can make them reversible, so that's exactly what I did with another one of our fall stencils. And I went in with a buffalo check pattern for the background again on this one, and it was just a really nice contrast to the other plain side, having a more fun pattern on the other one. My favorite project so far this fall was this pumpkin doormat, and I just went in with a plain doormat. You can get one for like $6 from Walmart. Went in with some black chalk paint, and it was just so simple and easy, and I just scattered the pumpkin all over the rug, and it was just exactly what I wanted. Lastly, I created this scrap wood pattern pumpkin and painted it orange and the stem brown, and then went in with our carbon beads stencil, and then I sanded it down a little to make it more rustic, put a little twirly on the stem, and it just came out so cute and I loved it. I seriously am loving all our fall stencils this year from our fall collection. They make DIY projects so fun for making fall crafts or fall decor, and you can get the whole family involved, and it's just great. If you want to go check out any more of our fall stencils, you can head over to stencilmepretty.com, and if you want to see any of our recent projects, you can head over to our Instagram at stencilmepretty. This concludes today's video. That's all I got for today, so I hope to see you at the next one.